Good morning, everybody. We are here. What? Oh, no. I don't even know the temperature. My computer tells me that the S&P 500 is up 1.32%. Dude, I can see that on the screen. It should tell me the weather, not what the S&P 500 is doing right now. We've got, what is this, man? Horsefly, first in the chat. What's going on? Horsefly22, first in the chat, baby. I love it. Slayer JC, what's going on? Dark Bro, Slayer JC, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Dark Bro, John J, Paul, Slayer, Paul, Dark Bro, Dark Bro, Lyman, Dave, what's going on? Paul, Slayer, Dark Bro, Lyman, Dave, Slayer, Kenneth, man, Slayer, John J, Kenneth, Slayer, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Slayer, Dark Bro, Kenneth, Slayer, Sarah, Destan, 50 Shades of Green, baby. We got Dark Bro, Dark Matter, and Dark Bro, all of you guys. What's going on? Glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. AMC sitting up 8.93% of the moment, $6.22. Not bad. $12.69 points per coin. Or 12.69 points per coin, on Shiba Inu coin up 6% on the day. Looking beautiful there. GameStop sitting at 23.28, up 6.64% today. Bitcoin testing 24,000. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin looking solid over the last hour, touching 24th or not or last hour on the hourly chart, 24,264. Currently testing 24,000 once again, sitting at $23,831 per coin. Bitcoin looking very solid right now. We've got the Nasdaq up 2.86 stinking percent. Look at this daily chart. Look at this graph. Look at this graph. Look at this graph, guys. This NASDAQ graph right here. Beautiful. We said yesterday, it breaks through this line. It's going to want to test this level of resistance. Look at what it's doing today. Testing this level of resistance here. The NASDAQ looking very, very solid right now. Hey, do I think it breaks it? I don't know. I don't even care if it breaks this level of resistance right here. For all I'm concerned, if we just start trending in this channel and then break out, we are still in a very, very, very bullish move since the beginning of the year. Resistance broken. Resistance broken. Resistance being tested. Will resistance be broken basically without even testing it? I mean, it's wild to see how well the NASDAQ is doing. $4.08 on Bureau Therapeutics, AMC 623, Ethereum up 2%, Shiba up 6.5%, Dogecoin break even, Bitcoin up 0.5% right now, Sundial up 3%, Mullen Auto up 12%, Mullen Auto looking very good, CEI up 2%, the SPY 416 on the SPY, BBIG sitting at 74 cents, Highcraft Mining 59 cents, Netflix $365, Terra Luna Classic 17.3, solid gains this morning. QQQ sitting at 310, and Ape's up 10% to $2.83 right now. Ape also looking very strong on the day, guys. We have got a lot of bullish activity. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, Horsefly in the house first, baby. Oh yes, Horsefly, drinks to that, man. You guys hear that helicopter? Can you hear it? Let me know if you can hear it. It's really loud. Dude must be landing in my backyard. Did you hear it? I can still hear it. Wild. Hello, Clay Bro from Andrew. You know what? Clay Brew could be that could be a nice coffee, man. Clay Brew. We just came up with something, Crypto Rocketeer. Hello, Clay Bro from Andrew and Anime. Andrew and Anime, hello to you. Hopefully you guys are having a great evening so far today. And shout out to my boy, Crypto Rocketeer, a.k.a. Andrew. And wonderful evening to you, Anime. We've got it can't be the same, bro. We both sent a chat at the same time. Interesting, Dark Bro. It's hard to click enter on a computer and a phone or two different phones at the same time, isn't it? Yeah, it's very, very difficult to click enter. Okay, so we have to discuss this USTC repeg. Dark Pro, let's discuss it, man. Dark matter of fact, I like it. John J, I got you, man, with the fist. Boom, fist. Boom, fist, boom, fist, bump, baby. Thank you very much, John Jay, for the fist bump. We are having a good day today, guys. Yes. So, hey, you guys can actually hear the helicopter. Very nice. Yeah, we did. Ambien heard the helicopter. Lime and Dave heard the helicopter. Upgrade time. Lick and punch, baby. Lick and punch. I don't know about the lick and punch, man. I don't. All right, it still sounds good, but I don't know, man. That sounds hard. Brew is what Afrikaner, bro? Is it? There's no way. Is it true? Because, that's a good play on words, man. Because, you brew some coffee. Clay Brew, ladies and gentlemen. We just came up with our very own coffee brand. It's going to be perfect. It's called Clay Brew or the Bro Brew. It could be the Bro Brew. Clay Brew. Bro Brew. Bro Brew might be very nice. Bro Brew, actually. It's like a bro, but Bro Brew. Let's see. It's Professor, often wrong, with AMC. It's Professor off. Are you talking about the guy on Twitter? Is that what you're talking about, or are you talking about something else? Yo, tell Moji he started this. Dark Matter of Fact 3000. Well, apparently, Moji, you started this. It's definitely a good day. All green. I'm telling you right now, Sarah Desev, 50 Shades of Green. I am so relieved by the little rally that we have had over the last couple of weeks here. January was a phenomenal month in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency market, and I am telling you right now, even if it doesn't continue at this same pace, which has been a fantastic pace, I am okay with that. People have been able to taste a bull market. People have been able to, they've been given a little bit of relief. People have seen the light at the end of the tunnel. And when you have that type of action, it's enough to keep you moving forward. Even if we start getting hit again, the optimism that we've been refreshed with is necessary. Patrick, thank you for the super chat again. Patrick says, talking crypto will get you the black choppers. I better bone up that legal fund. I'm telling you right now, dude, that helicopter was loud. I swear that dude was landing in my backyard or something. But no, I don't hear him anymore. So if you guys hear like a knock at the door or something, yeah, I'm going out the window. If I hear a helicopter and then somebody knocks at my door right afterwards, that door will not be answered. I can assure you that. And yeah, I'm going to have to go into my hiding place. Just to let you know, I leave the live stream rolling though, so you guys can at least hear what is taking place. Dark Bro says, okay, so this proposal is passed. Technically not yet. People can either change their votes or it's still got a couple of days left, or you could get billions of votes to come in and say no to it. I looked at it last night. Literally there was as many no votes as yes votes, and all of a sudden they're yes. Something seems fishy, not to mention the whole repeg itself. Yeah, so Dark Bro, if you did look at it last night, and there were yes votes and no votes in about equal form. All nodes came in and voted yes, right? All nodes has roughly 40% of the voting power. So all nodes coming in can basically push, and this is the problem people had with him last week with what Gadikian was pointing out and stuff, is that because they have such a large voting power, man, they can basically control the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And they came in and voted yes, which is what pushed it way past quorum. And which is what made it a 75%, the last time I looked, 75% yes vote and like 17% no vote or whatever it is. So all nodes coming in, it's not necessarily fishy, man, because we know that all nodes has a massive voting power, but that's why you saw the large spike in yes votes. Now, this proposal isn't going to change anything. It's a signaling proposal that the community wants them to give us some more information about it, tell us what the budget looks like, and all of that stuff. To me, man, I am highly skeptical that any centralized exchange is going to be on board with this type of price manipulation. But hey, I could be wrong, right? I don't think that this proposal is going to be able to actually make it into practice. It's a great idea if it does, dude. If they're able to get this thing pegged again, shoot, it's a great idea, but I don't know. I have helicopters around my house every day. Yeah, Kenneth, not every day do I see helicopters, but every now and then, yeah, they do fly over the backyard. And they are the big ones. They're like I don't even know what kind of helicopter they would be. They're the huge ones, man, with the 2 propellers. And, you know, the kind that people come parachuting out of and come whoosh, like you guys are playing Call of Duty, and they throw the rope over the side of it and come on down. And then they really do knock on your door. Yeah, that's the kind of helicopter that probably was flying. I don't know what kind that is, though. What kind of helicopter would it be that's almost like military style with the two propellers and then like a big door that's on the side of it that would open and you guys could jump out the side if you wanted, or you know, have your gun up there and do some damage with? What kind of helicopter would that be? Because that's most likely the one that was just flying over the house there. We love taxes. We love Texas. I mean, did the dude just mix up the E and the A there? What is... I can't even, like, say that with a straight face, man. Even if I'm, like... I guess with a non-straight face. We love we love taxes. I can say it with one of those faces, but... pains me on the inside to say something like that. That ought to state there. Said him for a while. Something, what do you say? It's basically Dutch slang with a lot of English, what? Patois? Smattered into it? I don't even know what that word is, Pat. What the heck is happening here? Yeah, exactly. When validator has that much voting power, it doesn't really seem like a good thing. Yeah, and it probably isn't, which is why people should vote, delegate to whoever they want to. But hey, they've chosen all notes, which is crazy. Step in the right direction, I hope. Yeah, Carlos, man. Carlos, if they're able to do it, like if it's legal, it's a great step in the right direction. If it's not legal, I just think that, people are being hopeful at the moment and they want it to happen, but it probably won't. The real money isn't there. This is a great example of just pushing buttons and digital manipulation, in my opinion. Quite possibly. Carlos, I hope so too. Heck yeah. Sorry I'm late, y'all. Number 12 on the like button. Guys, click that like button, please. I was looking at my account, and I still have 4,425 USTC. Very nice. Justin, man. That's a Chinook helicopter. Is it really? Chinook. All right, you guys saying a Prius helicopter. Now, I don't know if Prius makes a helicopter or not, but Chinook, a dual rotor military helicopter. All right, everybody's saying Chinook, so it must be Chinook, right? Is that what the consensus is on that helicopter with the 2 propellers? It's kind of long, and then it's got a big door on the side that, you just imagine these guys are going to start hovering over your backyard, throw the ropes out, slide down, and then it's game on, dude. It's game on. The good news is, man, if something wild like that ever happened and they were bad guys, this neighborhood, I know for a fact, that helicopter probably wouldn't make it in this neighborhood. I'm saying if they were bad guys, that helicopter probably wouldn't make it. Every single day in the summer and springtime, anytime it's warm out, dude, I am telling you, these dudes have to be perfect 99.9% marksmen with how much they practice around here. And some of these dudes, I don't know what they're shooting, man. I don't know what some of these guys are shooting, but it sounds like a cannon. I mean, it might be a cannon with what these guys have out here. And it is every single day when it's warm outside. So, yeah. Good guys, hey, you're welcome. Bad guys, well, you should probably go hover over somebody else's neighborhood because it's not going to work out very well for you here. So, glad, let's talk turkey. Gobble, 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 baby. John J. Heck yeah, man. I'll talk turkey all day long. Bone is going up. What's Bone at, man? I haven't seen it yet. We can look at it in a second. Top of the morning, Clay, bro. Smikey in the house. Oh, Smiley in the house. What's going on, Smiley? Oh, no, it's also reigning commission to 10% too. Yeah, so I think right now it's at 7% or something. Encouraging people to delegate with somebody else. Pudgy says, Chinook, you guys know your helicopters, man. Do you think the repeg is going to happen or just a passing fad? State men and memetics, I honestly, with the current proposal, I think it's a fad. I don't know if they're going to be able to get centralized exchanges on board with that proposal. Because it's a pretty straightforward price manipulation. You know what I mean? Like I don't know if they're going to be able to get centralized exchanges willing to do that. But, everybody's got this fantasy that USTC repegs to $1. There's nothing wrong with repegging USTC to 2 cents. I mean, if you can actually keep it stable, all you need is a stable coin. It doesn't have to be. No, nobody in USTC is going to be excited if they limit their upside gains. But at that point, then you can create your commerce, because that's the only reason in a stable coin. So it doesn't have to go back to $1. If you wanted to, legitimately get it to $1, they could do some sort of a reverse split, a 1-for-50 reverse split, bring the price back up to $1, and then peg it. So yes, there are ways, man, to get that peg going. The ways that they're currently proposing, though, I think are a little bit too fantasy for me to accept is something that will happen. Let's see. Does Clipper have one? Yeah, thoughts. Does Clipper have what, man? I don't even know what you guys are talking about. Where are we at? Thoughts on GNS. We can talk about GNS in a second, Victor, because I actually don't like GNS, but it's running. Let's see. Roulette wheel. Thank you very much for the super chat. The helicopter name sounds racist. Does it? Does it? What would Chinook be? What would Chinook be? How would that sound bad in the least bit, man? Chinook. Now you guys got me saying something I'm probably if it actually does sound bad, man, and I don't even know. And I don't even know what it would be, and I'm sitting here saying it over and over and over again. You guys are going to get me demonetized over a dang helicopter. Listen, YouTube, I promise, we're talking about helicopters, and I honestly have no idea what sort of thing we would be talking about here that could be construed as bad. But nonetheless, yeah, I think it's I don't even know if it's a helicopter or not. You guys might just be making that name up, dude. Dark Bro, the best helicopter is a Kia Forte 1000, baby. Oh, yes. We got that Kia Forte 1000. That is the best helicopter, guys. If you need a vehicle, Kia Forte 1000 is the way to go. Let's see. Slayer. Guys, I'm going to try and catch back up on these, but I got to give Slayer's peach. Slayer, man, thank you very much for that peach. Hopefully nobody else touched it. Only you, Slayer, only you. Clearly we hit the bottom. JB, man, things are looking very good right now, okay? I'm noticing at least like 3 or 4 different bullish signals. One being the fact that the NASDAQ broke that descending trend line, right? We talked about that last week or whenever it was. And then also confirmed a break through this resistance level. That's 2 technical breaks right in a row. And I believe that that's a bullish signal for the technical traders, that if they want to begin returning on a more long-term basis, the fact that this long-term descending trend has been broken is very strong. The fact that they've broken this one as well, also very strong. This one, I don't even care if this one breaks on the first try here, but it would be, incredible to break through this line. So this is 1, 2, potentially 3 technical breaks in a row that would be extremely bullish technical indicators. Next, you've got the Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve says we've got most likely 1 or possibly 2 interest rate hikes left on the board for this year, both 25 basis points. Now, they did make it very clear that that number could change and they could continue increasing interest rates if they felt necessary. But that gives us a level of certainty, and a level of certainty that we only have to endure 1 or 2 more interest rate hikes is a very bullish scenario, simply because, the certainty, yes, but the fact that traders now have a light at the end of the tunnel on, okay, well, we've only got to worry about 1 or 2 more interest rate hikes. It's not going to be that bad. And people start to get excited, not when they get out of the tunnel, but when they can see the light at the end of it. And they want to buy early, right? So if they can see the end of interest rate increases, and they can see the end of potential inflation problems, which I could debate myself on that one all day long too. That's an extremely bullish signal. The next thing that we see, and you can see it too, and this might not be a perfect example, right? But if you look at video views, if you look at Twitter sentiment, if you look at people across social media platforms, which is, I think, a fairly, it's a reasonable method to gauge sentiment in the market. Sentiment amongst traders shows us that confidence is returning. So you've got confidence returning to investors. You've got technical breaks to the upside. You've got the Federal Reserve stating some good news and putting that light at the end of the tunnel for us. I do think that it is a possibility, and sorry, I thought it was a little clear that whole time, and that's why I put the chart up there. It is a possibility that a bottom has been hit at this point. I never want to act like I know for sure. So I can't sit here and tell you that yes, a bottom has been hit. But looking at those three bullish signals right there, the overall economy could catch back up to where the market is at right now, and we may be able to pace together some very nice gains throughout 2023. Wait until you hear about the Apache helicopter. Is that gonna be another one, man? Is that gonna be another one YouTube's gonna have to make me worry about? Long time no see, Clay. Chad Clifford, how you doing, man? See, you got Ortex for it? Chad, no, I don't have any Ortex, dude. No buy signal on LUNC on my trading system, and I thought I'll push it here to everyone. Sam, very good, man. Sam, what kind of trading system are you using there? American Helicopters are the absolute best bullets to baloney technology ever. Is that good or bad, man? Pochi, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know. Bullets to baloney? Reference? I don't know. You guys are talking over my head, right? You guys talking about helicopters. You guys might as well be talking about, I don't know, quarterbacks or somebody playing in the MLB, man. I have no idea what's going on right now. Let's see. The world needs a bull run. We took too many L's the last couple of years. We need a break. Carlos. Yes, dude. We do, man. We do. 2022 absolutely sucked, man. I took some heavy losses in 2022. You guys probably did as well. I don't know. I took some heavy losses in 2022. Red year. Hopefully the worst. I don't even care. Like, if I become a billionaire one day, I hope that I don't even suffer the losses that I suffered in dollar amounts, not even percentage losses in 2022 there. So yes, we're going to have good days ahead, man. Let's see. Clearbro, forget the chopper Litecoin coming in strong today. When you climbing on the light board, we're up. Project Moon, it's going to have to be sometime soon, dude. Otherwise, I'm going to miss out the bull market. I'm going to be buying Litecoin at $400 a coin, man. Let's see. Greetings, Clay. Brad, greetings to you, Dark Bro. I was up in Norfolk last summer and got to see the USS Indiana. Not that a beast. Baddest thing we have. 100% nuclear something. What is the USS Indiana? 100% nuclear? Oh, Claybro getting optimistic. I am optimistic right now, man. That could change next week. You know, we could have Biden or Jerome Powell or somebody come out next week and say something extremely stupid. And then, you know, sentiment turns again. That's an absolute possibility. But right now, man, if you're trying to put everything together, right now it seems like you got good news, and good news. I mean, I don't want to argue with the good news. I'll let the good news roll. I'm not going to say, you know, it can't change, but I'll let the good news roll. I will. I can tell you, bro. It's hit, bro. We've bottomed all together. Let's get started. Run, bear run, bull run, money. John Jay, dude. If that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Guys, if we made it through the bear market, okay, if we did, I remember when these live streams had 40 people in here just a couple of weeks ago. Now we're sitting on 84. That already shows you that there's an increased interest in what's going on right now. If we made it through this bear market, I wish, and this is, you know, not me being weird or anything, I would like to shake every single one of your hands and say congratulations. Because if it is true, I'm not saying that we can't get, you know, punched in the side of the head next week. If it is true and we made it through this bear market, losses suffered, all of that stuff, yes, you know, we've lost a few good men along the way, but I'm telling you right now, If we made it through this bear market together, I would absolutely love to shake every single one of your hands and say congratulations, because I'll be the first to admit it was not easy. It was not easy to show up every single day, to see red after red after red, to get hit in the gut and get the wind knocked out of you and all that stuff every day. But if we made it, man, if we made it, honest, congratulations and thank you for making it together. You know what I mean? Like, sincerely. No such thing as a loss in trading. 2022 is the best year ever. Wow, I felt like there was a loss. I felt like there was a lot of losses in 2022. But hey, man, if it's only in here, shoot, dude. We're going to keep moving forward, and we're going to hit the gains there. Shiba's dropped to 0. Let's hope it stays that way. Sarah Destat, 50 Shades of Green. Absolutely. Even if this is the bottom, I don't believe we will see the same style of gains we did just a little bit ago. Yeah, I don't think we're going to see 2021 return. I don't need 2021 to return. I really don't. I don't need 2021 to return. Guys, take a look. You know, look at this stuff. Dang, man. Carvana running up 34% today. Let's see. Do we have the... Let's just put the QQQ or something on here. Where are we at? I don't know where these things disappear to. I mean, you look at the NASDAQ. We don't need a 2021 where you run up basically 100% in a year, 40% gain. We don't need that. This is the stuff that I want to see. I just want to see some gains, man. Look at these long-term beautiful gains right here. That's all I want to see. I'm okay with 10, 20% annualized market returns. And if you beat the market, you're sitting on 20, 30, 40, 50% gains. I am okay with steady long-term growth. I don't need these massive stimulus checks, extra money printed, fake-induced gains where everybody's buying stocks. I don't need those types of gains. This is what I want. This is beautiful long-term price action to the upside. That's all. This is a heavy loss that we went through, guys. Look at that. I mean, this was 2020. This little blip was 2020, and look at that. Look what you guys just suffered through. I mean, no doubt, no doubt. I just want to see some gains, man. Q3 is good. Yes, Q3 is good for you, Pudgy, JB, absolutely. Sam the Man made it with us. Sam, if you're out there, dude, we love you too. Trademark, Sarah, just for you. Something I might have missed on of Blood Red Days, Pudge, you already know, and didn't sell at all. Lieutenant Jones, man, I like it. I just woke up, my crypto being up. What did I miss? Dial-Up Survivor. You know, you didn't miss too much today. There's not much going on. People still excited about the Federal Reserve announcement yesterday, and gains rolling because of that. So there's a lot of strong sentiment going on right now, and it's looking good. Patrick, he didn't mean it, great leader. You and JP never say anything stupid. You're welcome, Clay. Thank you very much. Oh, Patrick, thank you very much. Appreciate that. He calls him great leader. Oh, God. What are we, like some alien planet? Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. And in the laugh, man, I like it. Great leader, man. That's like something you like. That's what aliens call people when they come down and land on Earth. Sam 4 probably playing puts on the Q. Oh God, dude, I hope Sam 4 is not playing puts on the QQQ today. QQQ's up like 3% today, isn't it? Oh gosh, dude, it's up 3.29%. I will say this though, if Sam 4 is playing puts on the QQQ today, right this moment might not be a terrible idea if you wanted to play some right at this moment, because look, right where we're at right now, it is a slight level. I mean, touching it here, support on the way down, touching it. We are big chart, yeah. Touching it here, touching it here, touching it here, touching it here, couldn't break back up, and touching it here again. So, like, if Sam 4 is buying puts right this second, I don't think that's that big of a problem. But, yeah, dude, it is looking way too bullish right now for me to want to touch it as it's rising. If it begins to pull back on that, I don't think it would be a terrible entry, pulling back off a resistance level. But, dude, it is Like, that's a solid gain, man, over the last month. There's 2 red days in there. Let's see. Putting puts options on pulling puts and driving putter put to the moon and back. Somebody help Pudgy, man. I think Pudgy might have got hit in the head with something very, very hard. I don't know what that sentence means. I'd be happy with just a couple of million in my bank account. Is it really too much to ask for? Sarah Destev, 50 Shades of Green. No, it is not too much to ask for, actually. No, it is not too much to ask for. And I hope that every single one of the 89 of you guys in here are able to say that. Maybe not at the end of the year, but one day. You know, I really do. Crypto speaking, are you going to determine bottom based on price of Bitcoin or more so outside influences? Example, if Bitcoin pushes through 30, would you say the bottom is price? So Gary, crypto speaking, I'm going to say I'm more comfortable saying it with outside forces, okay? It's easy to do with price action if you say, all right, well, we touched 15, it's already back up to 30, it's doubled in price from the lows that we hit. That's an extensive gain, a very nice rally, and so on. But price action is speculative. If you're looking at what will sustain and support the overall market, I'm looking to inflation, I'm looking to interest rates, and I'm looking to company earnings. Those 3 things really drive prices from an outside fundamental aspect. If interest rates are high, money is expensive. People are unable to spend as much. People are unable to borrow as much, and therefore it can cause some contraction. And if interest rates are high, dude, if you're getting 5 to 10% at the bank, why would you want to risk your money in the stock market for the same 7 to 12% annualized gains? Nobody is going to risk their money for a 7% gain when they're guaranteed a 5% gain. Some people might, but that's kind of crazy to do. So high interest rates are bad. Low inflation rates are good, which inflation is falling, but they're still very high. So, you know, we're not quite there yet for me to say, well, everything looks good. A bull market is probably here now. And companies need to grow. Companies need to increase their net income, increase their earnings per share, and continue to grow in order to continue hiring, continuing, increasing wages, and all of those things. So those are the fundamental factors on the outside that I look at to determine a bull market. I wouldn't say we're necessarily there yet, but the price action has determined that we could have hit a bottom. We're no longer falling. We are rising nicely on the price action. 2021, built my home in North Carolina on 20 acres on the coast, paid off my credit, and free and cleared me. Plus, I bought in at the bottom and have rode everything back to present. I take hits and keep on rolling. Kenneth, that is the definition of what will make you successful in the stock market, crypto market, and so on. Let's say you did go out there, man. You built your house in 2021, maybe at the peak of things, right? And then you start to get hit. Things go down, they go down, they go down. You give up. You're never going to see the gains, the subsequent gains afterwards that's going to allow you to recoup losses, hit profit, and things like that, man. So if you want to win, you have to guarantee yourself that you will be here tomorrow. That is the only way that you can win this game. It kind of sucks in the sense that if you get sucked into investing, right, unless you get lucky and your very first time, you time things great, you hit it and you're out. It is a lifelong game, right? And it's not bad because it has been proven. It is guaranteed that you make money over your lifetime. The stock market is guaranteed to go up based on historical performance. It always has 100% of the time over the long term risen. And barring some sort of a catastrophe or the United States is no longer the nation that we are, it will do so again. So, yeah, Kenneth, man, if you got to promise yourself that you're going to be here tomorrow. And if you can do that, you will win. It's an easy game when you look at it that way. Clay, bro, how can you speak Sam and not read my... That's actually a very good question, Pudgy. It's actually a very good question. Now you got me on that one, dude. I got to I gotta increase my pudginess. I'm freezing. I'm in bed with 8 blankets, counting my electric blanket. Dial up Survivor. What the heck is going on? How cold is it in your house right now? How do I join the dark side too? I want to party with you. You can party with me anytime. Clay, or check out my YouTube channel. Check out my YouTube channel or message me on Discord. There you go, man. When is a government-approved coins come in XRP, XLM, etc.? They won't get rid of unapproved coins. I don't want to lose my Shiba and Bone Bag. So, Emily, I don't think that you're going to lose your Shiba and Bone Bag. I don't know if you're in the United States, right? Or if you're in a different country that is talking about banning sort of cryptocurrencies like that. I don't think we're there yet. So, I don't think you have to worry about losing your Shiba and Bone Bags. Nobody can party me. Can't keep up with me. Guaranteed. Pudgy. You might be right, dude. Oh my gosh, Clay, have you broken the internet? Crypto has gone mad, Shrill Carter. That's what I love. Crypto going mad, baby. And yes, I did break the internet. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Hello, Clay and everyone. Pika Power, hello to you. I am so glad you're in here right now. Sorry I've been MIA. I have to make up for all that time. Pika, go take your phone and hand it to your boss right now. Him and I are going to have a discussion, okay? No, there will be, somebody has to cover for you while you're out. If you are sick, you're not going to be required to come back in and make up all of your work and be punished for being sick. No, it's just not acceptable. Go hand your phone to your boss. We're going to have a man-to-man discussion here, and I'm going to tell him how he should be running his company because this is just nonsense. Been missed since I missed when I was sick last week. I'm working through my breaks, and I can't listen either. Miss you all. Have a good day. She probably didn't even hear me say that. Pika Power, legitimately, I will talk to your boss if you want me to. Does anybody, there's 109 of you guys in here, and I know all of you probably have to deal with something similar to what Pika Power is going through right now. Does it make, and some of you may be managers, right? You might understand. Does it make any logical sense that you are going to punish somebody for being sick when you don't even want them there in the first place to get you sick? Punish them by making their backlog of work so ridiculous that they are miserable and never want to return to work after being sick. Come on. Does it make any sense? Somebody's got to step the game up and help out here. I get it if you don't do all of their work, but come on. That's not a rhetorical question. Please answer that if you guys are in here. Does it make any sense that the team does not step up? And I know that Pika Power is not the only employee that works at that company. Does it make any sense that you allow somebody to return to work with such a backlog of work? They feel that they can't go to the bathroom. They can't take a break and enjoy a sandwich for lunch and whatever. No, to me it doesn't. If it honestly does make sense to you, try and tell me how. I would actually like for you to do so. Brad, thank you very much for the super chat, Brad. Absolutely love it. Hey, Brad, you know what you are, man? You know what you are, Brad? Brad, you're number one. You're number one. You're number one. Brad is number one, baby. Brad, thank you very much for the super chat. You are number one, my friend. You are number one. Oh, Shib is number one. Sorry, Shib is number one. All right, Clay, one YouTuber claimed that LUNC outperformed Bitcoin in a bear market. What is your opinion? Rafefi, man, it probably could have. We could look at LUNC here in a second, but outperforming Bitcoin in the bear market would simply mean that LUNC didn't fall as much as Bitcoin fell. Okay, so we can look at that in a second here and see if it did. Right after I say, Michael, yawn, talk, not enough, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, baby. Michael Allen, ladies and gentlemen, the most consistent player in the game. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that, man. And we've got old rounder in here, Litecoin 100. Arise, chicken, arise. Thank you very much, old rounder, for the king chicken and Litecoin, man. Rolling right as Litecoin at $100. Litecoin was at $40 a little while ago, man. Oh my gosh, if Litecoin $100, yes, hitting that resistance level, so be careful. Litecoin hitting $100 right now after bouncing off this weekly chart, taking us back to the middle of 2022 when it jumped off $40 per coin. Litecoin has performed phenomenally since the end of October here, with basically nothing but gains, rising from $50 a coin to $100 a coin. If you guys doubled your money in Litecoin over the last couple of months, congratulations to you. Absolutely love to see that action. Oh gosh. Absolutely love to see that action there, man. Looking very good on the weekly with Litecoin going from $50 in October, actually touching back down to $50 in November. 2 months, doubled your money, looking very strong. Very strong right there. So congratulations, guys. I like it. And we got Kenneth with 5 green names in the chat. Kenneth, dude, thank you very much. Guys, say thank you to Kenneth right there. We got JMJ with a green name. We've got Crypto Greg with a green name. MB with a green name. Boomstick with a green name. And TT with a green name. Thank you very much, Kenneth. Absolutely appreciate that. And I wish you guys would say thank you to Kenneth as well, especially if you got a green name. If not, hey, still give that shout out to Kenneth right there. Really appreciate it. Love to see all of these names in the chat green. If you guys did not get a green name, please make sure to click on that thing that Kenneth sent and enable your gift receiving so that you can claim a green name when they come on by. Let's see. I totally understand. It's just I'm capped out on overtime for the pay. No, you don't understand, Pika. I know it's your work is your responsibility, but if you're sick, that precedes your responsibility. It supersedes your responsibility to get that work done while you are sick, and you don't have to come back to work to a backlog of work that is so outrageous that you're not going to be able to get it done, especially if they're not going to pay you to get it done to make up for the time. Like, Pika, I'm telling you, if you want me to talk to your boss, I will talk to your boss. I absolutely will. Do you have a Punisher keychain from Dark Bro? No, but I need to, listen, I want to buy a Punisher keychain. I actually want to buy a Punisher keychain off Dark Bro for my dad. I don't know if I'll really use a Punisher keychain or not, but dude, I know my dad will love that Punisher keychain. In blue, it's going to match his motorcycle. I think it's going to be great. Springtime rolls around. He's going to have the Punisher keychain out there to match his motorcycle. He's even got those, he's even got like some Punisher decals on his thing with like some light up eyes or something, or reflective eyes or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get one of those. And then like the little bro coin keychain, man. I would take one of those little bro coin keychains. I will use that one. The Punisher one, I don't know if I'll use, but I will. I do want to grab one of those. I think that'd be a great, kind of just a little gift to give to him because it'll match his bike, and he likes it. So I will. I want to get one of those off Dark Bro for my dad with the Punisher one there. We got Roulette Wheel. Thank you very much for the Super Chat. Guys, I know I'm backlogged on Super Chats right now. We're going to catch up, I promise. Roulette Wheel says, and you know what? I agree with this. Most employers do suck. And I don't know. I honestly do not know why they drive themselves into this just vicious you suck cycle. But I'm sure with 89 people in here, there are some of you out there that are managers. And I would say, okay, it doesn't fall 100% on you. But I would say you guys have a very, very strong influence on whether or not the people that work there view that corporation or view their experience at work as something that sucks. Now, it is difficult to create an environment that everybody enjoys being in, but you can absolutely do so. And I'm going to tell you right now, even if you don't want to go into work, even if you're having a bad day and your bosses suck, if you are, if you're a boss, if you're a manager, if you're a director or whatever, you can actually make it an enjoyable experience. You know that nobody wants to show up to work day after day after day doing this, monotonous routine that they feel like they can't get out of. But you can actually make it an experience where they don't mind going and they don't mind putting forth an effort. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, man, if you create an environment where you push through whatever crap the guys above you are given, and you create an environment for your team where people maybe not are looking forward to waking up and going to work and saying, man, why would I want to stay home today? I'm going to go hang out with Clay Bro and work all day. They might not be saying that, but you're going to see an increase in productivity, man, and it's going to make your day better too. So if you're a manager, if you're a director, if you're some sort of higher up in any corporation out there, I am begging you, shift your perspective to say, even if these guys treat me like trash, my team is going to want to come to work. My team is going to enjoy their day and then go home with a smile on their face instead of saying, God, I can't wait till I get out of here. This is just you can do that for people. You can absolutely change their lives simply by making work a positive experience instead of something that they feel like they have to go to. Because at the end of the day, you guys know that nobody actually wants to go to work every day. Outdoor smile. Mwah! It's beautiful, man. Mwah! It's beautiful, man. Mwah! It's beautiful, man. Outdoor smile. It is looking so good right now, man. I got heart eyes on for you. Heart eyes. Heart eyes. Sound like good. I got heart eyes on for you, man. Patrick, congrats on the green names. Here's to you and Clay. Let's do it, man. Authorized hydration for all the green names out there. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the super chat. Loving it right now. Michael Allen with another one. I'm mad that they're treating my internet's wife this way. Who do I need to call? That's what I'm saying, man. That's what I'm trying to talk to her boss. Like, go hand the phone to your boss right now. Let's have a conversation. Let's be a little productive here. What are we going to do? Michael, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, I feel the same exact way, dude. Thank you very much for that super chat, Mike. Absolutely appreciate that, man. And I think we're caught up on supers. Now we're getting back into the chat. Hello, everyone. Hey, hi, John. I've been here the last 3 days since I bought crypto. Very nice, man. It's been 3 days since you last bought crypto, and you are making money over the last 3 days. Now, that is a beautiful sign when you can basically buy at any time, and you're going to be making money. It just keeps going up and up. John J, it's looking good right now. Bearded Dad Beard Company, what's going on, man? How you doing? Some left to work, so the SEC is investigating Bitcoin. Is this true? You know what? I don't know if the SEC is investigating Bitcoin, but the SEC, from what I have seen in headlines, is really looking into the cryptocurrency space, and they have filed lawsuits against places like Gemini and Genesis, and they are looking into cryptocurrency exchanges. I don't know if they're necessarily looking into Bitcoin right now. I don't think that they have that big of a concern about Bitcoin. Nano Dimensions has more cash on hand than their market cap. ARK is loading up now. Jared, yes. We did look at Nano Dimensions for that reason a couple of months ago. And let me tell you, okay, I believe it was the same situation with Farmy. Farmy had some cash, but Farmy also had a much, much higher book value than they had market cap. I'm telling you, dude, it was ridiculous. And you could literally go buy Farmy for a couple, tens of millions of dollars, and then liquidate them and supposedly have $100 million in cash. I have no idea why nobody does that. They should do it with Nano Dimensions as well. If I had that type of money and I could audit their books, and I knew they had that type of money in their bank account, you better believe that I would go out there, I'd drop $60 million to buy the company, just fire everybody that works there, and then put the $200 million that they have in their bank in my bank. It's a strategy, right? But it does not mean that the share price is going to go up. People don't act logically, and that's a situation where, it's obviously illogical that they have more cash than their current market cap. That just does not make sense. For all the bros, if you don't know already, I'll be including a bro coin with every order, plus your one free gift. I like it, Dark Bro. Very nice, man. Dark Bro, what do you accept? What do you accept as payment, man? Is it all through Etsy? You do any Cash Apps? You do any cryptos? Like, what do you accept as payment there, man? I have a cat named, Gronkowski? Like, Gronkowski. I knew that was a football reference. I don't really know who that guy is, but Gronkowski is his name? Gronkowski? I like it. That's a very long name for a cat. Hopefully you just call him Gronk or Meow. I've been green for a couple days now. Dial-up survivor. That you have, man. Why does Crow's price just stay stagnant? Pistol Pete. So I'm not like, some all-knowing, omnipotent person where I know exactly why. But if I had to guess why Crow is not moving up in value as much, is because these exchanges right now, they're not growing. The exchanges still have a problem where people are trading less. People are not signing up for their exchanges. I can confirm to you, and I don't know if this is like specific to me or if it's like industry wide, but affiliate link usage for people that are signing up. I talk about Webull, and I talk about like KuCoin and Binance in all my videos. Affiliate link usage is extremely down. And there may be like one person a month that actually, it's more than that opens up an account, but that actually goes through and like begins trading. It might be like one person a month, dude. It is extremely low signups right now. So because of that, the exchange isn't growing. And if the exchange isn't growing, I can't expect the price of their coin to grow. If you think about it like a stock almost, I know they don't want you to. It's not an equity. It's not equity in the company and stuff like that. But if you think about it like a stock, dude, if the company's not growing, the stock price shouldn't be growing. It can, but it shouldn't be. If the exchange isn't growing, the price of the coin shouldn't be growing. It can, but it shouldn't be if the company's not growing. So that's the way I look at it with these exchange coins. Once people start to sign up again, once trading volume begins to increase drastically, that's when I think you're going to see all those exchanges pick back up, and Crow coin running, and all of these other coins that are associated with exchanges running up in value. You see the 13Fs on Nano Dimensions. Tons of ownership by the big names. You know what, Gorilla Invictus? I have not. So Nano Dimensions, I did a couple videos on way back at the beginning of 2021. And so I'm familiar with them. They do like the 3D printing on almost like circuitry, right? It's very, very intricate circuit board printing and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I know a little bit about them, but it's not, they're not something that I've looked into a lot recently. But I know it's another one of these stocks that people are very interested in. Touching 50 cents down here in 2020. And then this is why everybody was interested in it back in 2021, is because this is a weekly chart, okay? You watched it run from 50 cents up to $17. I mean, that's a 30x gain. That's what people are here for. And now that it's back down, look, I did not touch this stock last week, but we could have put this line on here anytime, most likely in October or something, but tapping this level of support, tapping this level of support, tapping this level of support, and since December now has been coming back up and bouncing off of it. It has hit this level of resistance several times. If you move this line down slightly here, you can see resistance on the way up, resistance on the way up, support on the way down, support on the way down, support on the way down, resistance on the way up, resistance on the way up. So we could see it trade back and forth between this range. A breakout of the upside would be nice if it starts to shoot above $3. But if it starts to come back down, I mean, you guys might be able to get another opportunity down here between, $220 and $240 per share, which wouldn't be bad if you guys believe in its long-term success. People talking about its market cap, $738 million market cap on Nano Dimensions. If you want to look at its cash, this is the balance sheet right here. Cash and cash equivalents in the second quarter of 2022 here. We're still waiting on some more relevant releases. I don't know where their latest earnings report is. But yeah, dude, second quarter of 2022 here, they had $1.22 billion, nearly double cash on hand versus their market cap. But just because they have cash doesn't mean that they're good. Let's look at liabilities really quick. And you can see total assets looking pretty good. They're very, very cash heavy. Total liabilities then is going to bring you down to only $50 million. So they've got a very strong balance sheet. They got a very strong balance sheet with only total liabilities of $50 million, and they're sitting on $1.22 billion worth of cash. What you're going to need to watch out for is, can they grow that cash? Okay? Let me reference Sundial really quick. Sundial was sitting on a ridiculous amount of cash because they diluted the crap out of their shareholders in 2021. Let's see if we got the chart here. All right, Sundial was sitting on a ridiculous amount of cash back in 2021 here. You can see over $500 million that they were sitting on. But they cannot grow their earnings. They cannot grow their revenue. They cannot do it, man. It's very tough for them. And after diluting people in this, what was then a $4 area, they have not been able to grow their business in a way that they can see their stock price grow. Just because they're cash heavy does not mean that they are going to be able to generate business. You want to take, if you've got $100 million as a business, you want to be able to turn that $100 million into $200, $300, $400 million. If you have $100 million in the bank, it doesn't do you any good if you're just paying employees and you're going to end up spending $100 million and not leveraging it. LRC, yeah, Loopring doing very well as well. Check out LRC here. Loopring up 11% today. You guys can see the weekly graph over the last month looking very nice, going from 18 cents to 43 cents over the last couple of weeks. This daily chart looks amazing right now. Daily chart, nothing but gains over the last month, man. I really like that monthly chart right there for Loopring on the daily. I really like that month. That is crazy. And let's look up ApeCoin to see if Pika Power might not even need to stay at work right now. Dude, she's putting up with something. And she's loaded, man. Pika Power's loaded. ApeCoin still in the green, looking very strong. I know Pika's sitting there thinking, oh, man, I'm sitting on a gold mine here, and these guys are bossing me around at work, making me want to leave, and I'm sitting on massive ApeCoin gains. What are these guys doing? Yeah, dude, ApeCoin looking very good. Pika, if you're still in here right now, hopefully you're going to have a good day today. Thank you very much for shooting by and coming on in here, but I hope you're having a good day today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Listen to Aiden and click that like button, in my opinion. Philly will definitely cover the SB spread. I know I missed something on that. What is an SB spread? Dude, we talking about sports betting or what's going on? Cardano going to grow. I think the Cardano will grow, yes. I have not looked at them in a while. We can check them out in a second here, but I'm trying to catch back up in the chat. Sundial has a lot of red tape, not as much with Nano Dimensions. That is true. That is true. Where's this helicopter? You guys hear this helicopter again? Can you hear it? That boy's shaking the house, man. He's coming back for me. Coming back for me on that one. No, Sundial does have a lot of red tape, man. They got to make sure that cannabis is legalized. But I think Sundial is a Canadian company, so I don't think they have as much red tape as some of the other cannabis companies out there that would like to do business in the United States. But the United States has the money, man. I mean, as soon as they can. Look, I'm not going to condone it, right? I'm not going to condone it. But if they do legalize it here in the United States, those companies are going to have a huge revenue source open up. And they're going to be able to make a ton more money. So right now, when it's restricted to Canada and stuff like that, not to knock on Canadians, but you guys only got like 30 million people. We got 300 million people. So if you increase the customer base by 10x, you are going to see massive potential for growth. Sundial could hit it, yes, but there's a lot of other big players out there that could take advantage of an increase in market size like that too. Shout out for Jordan and Chris, Chrono, Shib, LUNC. Let's get started. Jordan and Chris, man, shout out to you guys. Jordan, thank you very much for that. And yes, listen, I like Crow. I do have some Crow. I'm not a Crow baller by any means, but I like the exchange coins when things are growing and going well for them. When they had a lot of problems a few months ago with exchanges going bankrupt and stuff like that, it was a very bad look, and a lot of people were very concerned. But when it comes to the long-term and long-term growth, dude, I think that they have a ton of upside potential left. Hi, Ron! They're coming for you, bro. I'm telling you, Dark Bro. Twice, man. That's a little weird. For any of the bros who are interested, here's my link for the one. Yeah, there you go, man. Check out. Listen, I am always all about everybody wanting to support everybody in here. And Dark Bro's got a little Etsy shop, does some 3D printing, makes some very cool stuff. If you, I don't know, Dark Bro, if you do any custom stuff either, if anybody wants anything custom, I mean, I'm not trying to put you on the spot if you don't do anything custom, but, you know, if you want to talk to Dark Bro, talk to Dark Bro, absolutely. We're all here to grow together, man. We're all here to grow together. And Dark Bro is great. It's one thing if you're sitting in here and literally just spamming your links all day long and everybody's like, oh my gosh, stop with it. But no, I mean, I really do want everybody to be able to support everybody in here. It doesn't mean you got to go out there and buy everything in his store or anything like that. But it's all about it all day long. Too many hyped up coins out there. Nothing happened. Just dollar cost averaging your favorite crypto. And once in a while, buying a lottery ticket play. Yeah, the roulette wheel. You are absolutely right, man. The good news is, and we've done it time and time and time again, I think during a bull market, it doesn't even matter if the coin's hyped up. It's going to go up, man. We've looked at so many of those coins on the top 3 pages, and we can go to the top 4 or 5 pages if you want. But we've looked at so many of those coins. And every single one of them runs during a bull market. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, taxes are great. Thank you. Taxes are great. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the taxes are great super chat, man. All right, listen, it is past 1 o'clock. We are not leaving. Hold on. All right, so what do we got here? We are not leaving until you guys get Richie's Plain Talk to over 100 subscribers. Richie, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. And that's because you think Bone is going to hit $100. I'm going to tell you right now, man, Bone at $100 is a very strong valuation, but Bone at $100 is not impossible when Shibarium is a major, major player in the blockchain space. And people are validators staking massive amounts of Bone. Bone is listed on centralized exchanges all over the world. I don't think that that's an impossibility, man. I really don't. I think it's got a long way to go, but it is one of those coins that has a lot of utility right around the corner when Shibarium is released. Richie's Plain Talk, man. Thank you very much. Guys, the link is coming in right now. Richie, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. You guys are about to blow this dude past triple digits. I'm actually not leaving until you guys get Richie beyond triple digits here. So just because of that, because of that super chat right there, we're gonna make sure that Richie hits. So Richie, man, the link is right there, pinned up to the top of the screen if you guys want to click it real quick. But please, I am asking you to support another bro right now and get Richie above 100. I'm going to refresh his page. I'm going to give you guys a second to click on that link. Please help Richie out. That is an awesome super chat right there. I cannot thank you enough for that, Richie. So sincerely thank you. Hopefully you guys step up. Click the subscribe button. It doesn't mean that you have to watch everything that he posts. You guys know that. But bros are supporting bros right now. And Richie's about to pass 100 subscribers. So I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds. Shibarium is delayed again. And Shibarium probably will be delayed and delayed and delayed and delayed. Bought a ton at 30 cents. Richie bought a ton of Bone at 30 cents, man. Richie is killing it right now. SD subscribed. Thank you very much, SD. He's at 96. Let's go. Guys, 89. I was like, what, 73 the other day? So, yes, guys, make sure. Just click that. Get the guy above 100 right now. Absolute amazing support from Richie's Plain Talk right there. Richie about to kill it, going above 100. 97.3 to go. Go, go, go. Guys, go click that subscribe button. We're going to hit him 100 right now in this. I'm not leaving until you guys get him to 100. So I appreciate it in advance that you're going to get my man to 100. That's 100 because Bones going to 100, and that's 100 because Richie is hitting 100 right now. Thank you, Richie. Yes. And hey, Richie, I actually watched your video this morning, man, when you were talking about Terra Luna Classic burning to zero. Very nice. Richie's got some good content, guys. Richie's got some good content out there. And, pretty straightforward content, too. Very, very easy to understand. Sitting there, giving you guys his thoughts and stuff like that. So, very nice. D's, thank you for the super chat. D says, half of my crypto is above my average price because I dollar cost averaged all of 22, and it's just starting. Thank you, Clay Bro, for the non-financial advice. D's, man. I love it. I love it. And the fact that you made it through, man, the fact that you made it through, and now you might start to see the light at the end of the tunnel, dude, you're turning green, and you were able to dollar cost average through all of 2022 like that. I hope, dude, that light at the end of the tunnel is here, and we are going, and we are going to make it. Guys, there's 72 of you in here. Click the link that is at the top of the screen right now. Subscribe to Richie's channel. We're going to get my man to 100 subscribers right now. He's sitting at 98. All you've got to do is click that subscribe button, get him above 100, show some support to the man right here, and let's get it. We've got 98 subscribers. A couple more to go. The link for his channel is at the top of the screen right there. Click it, subscribe to his channel, support him. Richie, absolute huge support on our channel here. Absolutely appreciate him, and we're gonna get him to 100 right now. I know we're gonna do it. SD subscribe, perfect. Richie Plain Talk, can't load your page. Project Moon, did you click the link on the channel right there, or at the top of the page, or where did you click it? Deep, thanks for the comment. Absolutely, man. Richie's Plain Talk, dude. I appreciate anybody who's trying to give it a go and showing some effort out there. I'm going to tell you right now, dude. I remember lottery stocks, right? Lottery stocks showed up here, like 2 days ago now. Kid's got 10,000 subscribers. I remember that kid grinding all of 2021, right? He barely made it above 1,000 subscribers. He got monetized, all that good stuff. And he kept going. Kid's sitting on 10,000 subscribers right now. I mean, he's making some moves. And Rich, if it's something you want to do, man, you want to have a little podcast, you want to have a little show, give your thoughts, dude, you're absolutely going to make it if you put forth an effort. I know you are. 98, wait, 98, someone don't unsubscribe, guys. Go click that subscribe button. Show Richie some love right there. It only takes one or two more people to click that subscribe button. Get Richie above 100. I know you guys are going to do it. King Mamba, look me up, not sure. I think the Luna Classic better hit $1, or better chance to hit $1 than Shiba Inu coin. We just need to clear 2 zeros. Luna Classic fits Shiba 4 zeros. And you know what? Peace, love. You are right. Terra Luna Classic does have a better chance of hitting $1, and because it's got a 100 times less coins outstanding than Shiba Inu coin does. It's got 100 times less coins outstanding. Did he get it? Does 100 get a... No, you know what? 100 doesn't get a prize, but 100 is very significant because you go over that threshold of single digits to triple digits. The real prize comes at 1,000 subscribers, okay? If Richie's able to keep on it, the real prize comes at 1,000 subscribers because Richie's channel can get monetized, and then any of the commercials that they play on his videos can generate revenue. So the real prize does come at 1,000. But 100, man, 100 is that first major milestone where you break into the triple digits. You're finally there, and I believe everybody, that wants to give it a shot deserves the best shot possible. And Richie, an absolute huge supporter of this channel here. So I can't thank him enough for doing that. And I think we got it. We get him 100. We get him 100. 104. Richie, man. Congratulations on the 104 subscribers. And hopefully you're able to continue growing from here. And dude, maybe over the next couple of months, we see you break 1,000 subscribers and get monetized right there. So absolutely, guys, thank you for supporting Richie and clicking that subscribe button right there. Like we say, you don't have to watch every single one of the videos and all of that stuff. You guys know it, but that is a huge support to show someone that you care enough to click that subscribe button and take them up above that 100-person threshold. Very nice, Richie. 104 subscribers, man. You're going to make it, dude. Keep going. You're going to make it. I know you will. You guys are awesome. It only took you 10 minutes to do it. But, Richie, I appreciate that super chat. We're going to be coming back in the afternoon live stream, all right? We're going to be back here this afternoon. Peace, love, subscribe. Very nice. Good job, guys. I love it. And subscribe to Richie's Plain Talk. Was your 100th sub. There you go. King Mamba was number 100. I love it, man. All fist bumps all around for sure, guys. Get your names in the chat. We're going to do these shout-outs. We're going to be back for the afternoon live stream. And thank you guys all for showing some support to Richie's Plain Talk there. And it is true. You know, Richie does have just some plain talk there. You go out there, you listen. It's very straightforward. And I've watched a couple of his videos, and I watched the one this morning. So, Richie, man, good job. Keep it up and never stop the grind, man. Old Rounders, shout out to you. We got Dial Up Survivor. As good as, man. See you later. Gorilla Invictus, King Mamba, Dark Bro, D's, Richie's Plain Talk. Peace, love. See you later, King Mamba, Gorilla Invictus, Outdoor Smile, Dial Up Survivor, King Mamba, Richie's Plain Talk. Love hanging out on your live streams. Dude, I love the fact that you guys enjoy hanging out here, man. We've created a place where people actually enjoy themselves, and you got some positivity on the internet, which is very, very difficult to come by these days. SD, see you later. 7 Step, 50 Shades of Green. Till the next time. Oh yes. Old Rounder, Dial Up Survivor, King Mamba, Dark Bro, Dennis, see you later. Have a nice day. Ice Bear, see you later as well. Dial Up Survivor, Dark Bro, Pat, peace out to you, man. Dark Matter of Fact, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. D's! D's, man, thank you very much for the super chat. D's got a little peach action. Oh, yeah. An Outdoor Smile says, That is so much harder than you guys know, man. It's so much harder to do than you can imagine right now. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. D's, thank you very much for the super chat. We got shout outs to Ice Bear, Dial Up, Dark Bro, Pat, sorry, Dark Matter. We got Project Moon King Mama, D's, and Outdoor Smile. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Michael, man, thank you very much for the fist bump, baby. What a way to end the live stream on a little fist bump action by the king himself, Michael Allen. Michael, thank you very much for that super chat. You guys absolutely destroyed it this morning. Appreciate every single one of you. King Mamba, D's, Outdoor Smile, Project Moon. We might have some Litecoin videos in the future, man. Michael Allen, thank you very much for that super chat, man. All of you guys, D's, Dave Anderson, you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.